Quick lunch transformation, boosting confidence in 60 seconds. In the fast-paced world of modern work, finding time for a nutritious and confidence-boosting lunch can be challenging. However, with a strategic approach and a few practical changes, even a brief lunch break can transform your day. Planning ahead, the foundation of success. Preparation is key to ensuring a quick and nutritious meal. A well-planned lunch menu can significantly reduce the time spent deciding what to eat and preparing the meal, thereby saving valuable minutes. Plan your lunches for the week on Sunday evenings, considering dietary needs, taste preferences, and time constraints. Power foods, fuel for body and mind. Choose foods that offer quick energy and mental clarity. Incorporate power foods into your lunch to boost energy levels and mental focus. Opt for lean proteins like grilled chicken or fish, whole grains such as quinoa or brown rice, and colorful fruits and vegetables for a nutrient-rich meal. Portion control, maximizing impact in minutes. Smaller portions can lead to faster digestion and increased energy. Portion control is essential when preparing quick lunches. Aim for balanced meals that consist of protein, whole grains, and vegetables, but limit the serving size to maintain a manageable meal within 60 seconds. Meal prep hacks, saving time and boosting efficiency. Simple techniques can help you save time and prepare meals more efficiently. Invest in meal prep hacks such as pre-chopped vegetables, pre-cooked grains, or portioned protein sources to further reduce preparation time. Additionally, consider using a bento box or divided containers to organize your meal components for easy assembly. The power of presentation. Aesthetics matter. A visually appealing lunch can boost your mood and confidence. Take a moment to arrange your lunch in an aesthetically pleasing manner. This small act can significantly improve your overall dining experience, making you feel more satisfied and confident. Mindful eating, savoring the moment. Slow down and savor your meal for maximum enjoyment and mental clarity. Practice mindful eating during your quick lunch break. Put away distractions like phones and computers, focus on your meal, and chew slowly to maximize flavor and promote digestion. The power of positivity, mental reinforcement. Cultivate a positive mindset to boost self-confidence during your lunch break. Take a moment to reflect on your accomplishments and goals during your lunch break. Visualize yourself achieving success, and use positive affirmations to reinforce your confidence and motivation. By following these strategies, you can transform your quick lunch into a confidence-boosting experience that sets the tone for the rest of your day.